Hi friends, we are at the airport and it's like 5:29. We just got through security and boarding is at 5:30. So we're going to our gate. I don't know if we're gonna have time to eat. We'll see. We made it. We barely made it on, but we're gonna be okay. And there's a million children on this plane. We made it to Orlando Airport, and we're gonna check out the Magic of Disney store because they've updated it. The last time we were here, it was closed. Look at it. It's like a screen now. Yeah, because now it's changing. That's cool. So now they can just like change it to whatever they want, whenever they want. Look at this. What would you like to say, Garrett?
I'd like to thank Disney for inviting us.
Here we are. I don't know. I just don't really care for it. I just don't think it's that cute. What do you think, Garrett?
I don't have to wear it, so.
It's not cute. I don't like it. I don't like it. Arendelle Aqua, though, I can always jump on board with because it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so much cleaner in here. I feel like it's bigger. Doesn't it feel bigger? And there's this big projection, too. There's Pandora. This one's fun. Oh, and now it's nighttime. Oh, that's so cool.
We'll be there.
Yes, tonight. Tonight we will be there. I like the new style of it.
It's like the other one.
Yeah, kind of like the other one on the other side, yep. So now we would normally go straight to the Magical Express because we normally don't check bags, but I checked a bag and I forgot to sign up for the Magical Express until yesterday. So we didn't have a luggage tag for it, so we have to pick up our bag. Express is all the way inside Terminal B, and you basically have to go all the way down to the bottom and then go all the way down, and then you're going to go right over there and you scan your magic band like Garrett did, and then they tell you what line to get in. So it looks like our line is just for Pop Century. We'll see if it stops anywhere else, but it looks busy, so hopefully it'll just go to Pop Century.
Welcome aboard Disney's Magical Express. Sit back and relax because you're on your way to the most magical place on Earth.
We got the goods. And we're at Pop Century! Look at this tree! Oh my gosh, so fun. I love that it has little like records on there and like vintage Santas. This is so pretty.
This will be really cool at night.
It will be. So our room isn't ready, and the line to just like put our bags somewhere is at least like 30 minutes long.
A mile long.
It's so long. So we are gonna go eat something in the food court. We'll show you the menu in the food court, and we're just gonna get food because we haven't eaten really at all today yet. Oh, I love that with the cherries. I love the cherries. That's so cute. I love it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like food. Just food, food, food.
All right, friends, so we got lunch. This is I think it's a turkey mozzarella on focaccia. It's big, like, it's a big old piece of sandwich. Alyssa, of course, got chicken tendies. And we're going to edit a little bit while we wait for the room. Hopefully we get it soon so we can rest up for tonight.
Okay, I know Garrett's really, really good at food reviews, but Garrett, can you please tell us how your sandwich is?
Good. No, it looks like a ton of food, but it's actually kind of light, and the mozzarella is really good.
The mozzarella is like thick.
Yeah, it is. And it has like the seasoning stuff on top. It's like
It's kind of messy.
but it's good.
Yeah.
And it comes with these like house-made chips. I like the bread is real airy and like.
Yeah, it looks like but honestly, the sandwich was huge. Like, we could have split that. I mean, I know you're starving, but normal people probably could have split that. You know what I mean? You get a lot. My chicken tendies are tenderlicious. I don't know if that sounded right. We also got the refillable mug because it says Happy Holidays and it's got like the old school crew on there. And normally when we don't stay for like less than a week, we don't get the refillable mug, but I just figured the mug's cute in itself, so there's $20, and whenever we come here, hopefully once a day, we'll get Diet Coke for free. So, or we paid for it, but you know. So I was telling Garrett that we technically didn't pay for this meal. Our meal plus the mug was $45, and we saved $50 by purchasing $1,000 in gift cards at Target because you get 5% off. So our 5% off was this meal and our mug. So, of course, since we've been kind of stuck here, we're finishing up editing our last Vlogmas video. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to go check out the gift shop over here. Okay, since we're staying at the Pop Century, they have the Skyliner. So we have all this cool Skyliner merch. These are like ornaments, or maybe just it includes a display stand, but it's a Toy Story one. They have magic bands and shirts down here. And then, oh my god, I totally want this one. It's the Haunted Mansion little stand. So cute. And they have the pop here. They even have like socks down here. How adorable is that? And this cute little luggage tag. It's fun. I really like that actually. And then they have more stuff right here. So fun. This cute little cup. They even have buttons. How fun is that? Oh, look at that. It says you can upgrade to the Skyliner mug for just $10. So, like, we could use that as our mug. Oh, and this one stays hot and stays cold, too. That's cool. Look at these adorable wreaths. This is an up wreath. How cute. These are adorable. Look at the Simba one. There's another up house. That's so cute. Okay, we made it to our room. We are in building 3 in the 50s section, 3249. Hey, Garrett.
Welcome to room 3249
Are you going to give the tour today?
at the Pop Century Resort. My name's Garrett. I'll be your guide.
We have technically stayed at Pop Century
Yes.
before, and we do have a room tour. I'll leave our first room tour linked down below, but I mean, it looks pretty much the same.
Yeah, these rooms were renovated not too long ago.
Yeah.
And what's really nice about them is that if it's just us staying, we have a nice bed here. But
Yeah. But then you have a Murphy bed. Exactly. Yeah.
and have yourself a Murphy bed.
Yep, literally all you have to do is pull the chairs out, and then you have your own other bed.
That's going to live up because we'll use the space. But there's nice plugs on either side of this side and the other side of the bed.
And there's even, I like how they all have the USB ports now, too.
Exactly.
That's so perfect.
This room does come with a glass front fridge, a coffee machine, but
No coffee. We ran into that problem last time. I feel like you have to, like, buy it because we're out of value.
That's the value life.
Yeah, whatever. We end up, like, getting Starbucks or Joffrey's every morning anyways.
This is where your safe is at, in the middle console, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
Free drawers, your TV.
Lots of room for storage.
Plenty of plugs.
Yeah, and there's still more like USB plugs here. And your beautiful TV! Our favorite part. Staying at a Disney resort. Like, this is the music. We love, like, watching this and listening to it while we get ready in the mornings.
So we have some hooks to hang things you hang on hooks.
Yep.
And a nice big sliding door.
Yeah.
Which blocks off the entire rest of the bathroom.
So if you're staying with multiple people, you have a little changing area too.
Yeah. So here's your bathroom. Nice light.
Yeah.
Diffused light, I guess you could say.
Yeah, and there's a lot of storage, like a lot of storage.
Not
This
lot
is
of
like the
nooks
little
and
closet
crannies.
area, but I feel like they've utilized every space. Because, like, here's your ironing little area, and there's even, like, there's your iron and your hair dryer. Iron. And I love that they have a makeup mirror in here. That's, like, savior of life.
A full length.
And there's, oh yeah, full-length mirror.
There's another full length.
No.
And into the poop room. And the shower room.
It's very, very like simplistic in here, very just plain. The shower is just plain white. I don't even think there's any like hidden Mickeys or anything in here. No. It's just very plain and basic, and you've got, you know, your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right there. And then the other great thing about these new updated rooms is the space underneath the beds.
Get rid of your light.
Look at all of the space underneath the beds. So basically what we do is we unpack and then we put all of our suitcases underneath, and then like it leaves everything open. It just makes it feel clean and open and you know, nice. And there's another little table over here with more plugs, so many plugs. And then you have your retro Mickeys for 50s. I think this is actually in every Pop Century room, but it does seem like 50s themed, which is fun.
But what I like about the theming is that even though this resort does represent all the different decades, it's timeless across all of them.
Right,
So
exactly.
you could see some of the 80s, you could see some of the 50s, but I like it. They're comfy.
It is comfy. And I mean, for the price, I feel like this kind of almost feels like a moderate room because of the updates, but really it's still value. So you get a little bit more bang for your buck.
And we have a good location. I'm happy.
We do have a good location. We're pretty close to the main building. Don't you think, Garrett? I mean, the main building is technically on the other side, but we're pretty close to it. And then right back there, if we were to take this sidewalk here and walk that way, the Skyliner station is literally right back there. You can actually see the Skyliners going across. It's probably too far away right now, but like there's some going across right now. I don't know if you can see it right there. But yeah, so they're cleaning right now. So that's why there's a lot of, it doesn't look that nice right here. But it's kind of a quiet little area. I really like it. I like our area this time.
Yeah, we're not facing the pool, which can get loud.
It can get loud.
Not to sound like old biddies.
No, but I mean, like, we're adults. We don't want to hear kids all night. I know that we're at Disney, but, you know, it's fine. So, yeah, there it is, everyone. So, I look like a hot mess right now, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to unpack, and we're actually going to try to take a nap because we've been up since 3 a.m., and we are planning to go to Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios tonight, and Hollywood Studios has extra magic hours until midnight, so we're going to take advantage of that, which means we need to sleep right now. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you how we unpacked. If you can see, look how spacious it is in here. All of our bags are under the bed. They're all under there. And normally, like, as we have dirty clothes, we end up just putting them in the empty suitcases down there just to, like, keep everything separate. But if we have any snacks or anything, they are up there, obviously. So basically, this is all of like our charging stuff up here. These are our sunglasses right here. This is like my jewelry, all of our pins, all of my ears that I brought. You should comment down below and let me know, how do you travel with your ears? Because I feel like I haven't figured out a great way to travel with my ears so that they stay okay. And then just showing you how we laid it all out. Garrett is on the top. And these are like all of my bottoms and tank tops. And like underwear and bras and stuff are still in there. But then, I don't know, just random extra tops. And then right here we hung up our raincoats, our umbrella, my purse, our backpack that we're going to be bringing. And then in here we have a bunch of clothes hung up. All of my like ugly sweaters and stuff are there. And then right here we have like all of our little, you know, toiletries that we brought with us. Over here is my little makeup area next to the makeup mirror. And that's pretty much it. In here I just put my shampoo and conditioner and my razor. Garrett uses the stuff that is here. I'll use the body wash, but...
Fun fact,
they use the same mattresses in all of the resorts. So the deluxe has the same mattress
as the value, as the moderate. They're all the same, and they are so comfortable. So comfortable.
So don't think that just because you stay at the Polynesian, you have a better bed.
Right.
All the beds are fantastic.
Yes, and some of the value resorts still have double beds, but I think as they are updating, they're updating for them to all be queen size. Don't count me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's accurate. So like this is a queen size bed, and this is technically a value. And the pillows are amazing. The mattress is amazing. Let's take a nap. All right, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you enjoyed about this vlog. And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. And we'll see you real soon. Bye!